Yo, what's up everyone? Crypto Henry here. I'm going to tell you how to get a hardware wallet for free. And there is no catch. Yes, you can get a hardware wallet for free. Now, more than ever, it's very important to keep your crypto assets, your Bitcoin, your ETH, your tokens secure. And I know that hardware wallets can get a bit expensive. The Ledger, the Trezor, these wallets can go from 70 USD all the way up to 250 USD. But I'm going to tell you how to make one of these wallets for free, and there is no catch. So without further ado, let's get straight into it.
All right, so you want to keep your crypto secure in self-custody, but you don't want to pay money for a hardware wallet. So how can you do this? You shouldn't keep large amounts of crypto in the mobile phone that you use every day. And why is that? Well, because the mobile phone that you use every day is always connected to the internet, you download apps, and you basically expose your mobile phone to hackers, to be attacked by hackers. Actually, a normal mobile phone that you are connected every day to the internet, you go to websites, you download stuff, it's always exposed to be attacked. And that's one of the reasons, or the main reason, why you should not keep large amounts of crypto in your everyday mobile phone. However, if you have a spare mobile phone like this one that you are not using, it's an old mobile phone, it doesn't need to be anything fancy as long as it is a smartphone. Can be an iPhone, can be an Android phone, it doesn't matter as long as it is a smartphone and you can download apps to it. And you can basically transform it. So what are the steps to transform your old mobile phone into a hardware wallet to keep your crypto secure? First, you need to reset your phone, okay? So you need to search how to reset your phone, how to clean everything from your phone, but because you don't know if you have already some kind of virus or something inside your phone. So first step, I would go and search for where to reset the phone. So I have here this button, reset. Now I'm not going to reset it, but I could do the factory reset and basically clean everything that is inside this phone. Once the phone is cleaned, it's basically a blank sheet where you can now securely install apps. The second step after resetting your phone is updating the operating system. And after that, you need to set up a password, a screen password or fingerprint, depending on your phone, and also a password to every time you turn on the phone. So this password will prevent unauthorized people from using your phone, basically, if someone finds their phone randomly on the street. Then you need to install a secure wallet. There are three wallets that I really like. You have the Metamask wallet, Coinomi, and the Trust wallet. Metamask, Coinomi, and Trust wallet are three pretty secure wallets. These wallets are probably the most secure mobile wallets around. Probably there are a few others, but I don't know about the others. But these wallets are very, very secure. You can keep any amount of crypto in these wallets. You install this wallet, set up a password or fingerprint, and do the backup of the wallet. You always need to do the backup of the wallet, okay? Usually the backup, you need to write down the seed phrase, blah, blah, blah. I have already explained this 1,000 times in my videos and also articles. You can check an article where I talk how to keep your seed phrase, your wallet backup secure. So check that article in the description of the video. Okay, so what do we have now? We have a clean mobile phone. You have resetted the mobile phone. The mobile phone has a password. You install the wallet, your wallet, Metamask, Coinomi, or Trust wallet. You put a password, you do the backup of the wallet, and now this old mobile phone is ready to work as a hardware wallet. So there is one important thing. You will only turn on this old mobile phone to transact with your wallet. That's one of the most important things, right? Because hardware wallets are also called cold storage wallets. And the reason why they are called cold storage wallets is because they are cold, they are disconnected from the internet. A hot wallet is a wallet that is on your computer or your mobile phone that is connected to the internet. We want to make this wallet cold, so we want to keep it disconnected from the internet as much as possible. So to make this mobile phone your cold storage wallet, you basically turn on the phone only when you want to transact. You do whatever the transaction you want to do. You want to receive crypto, you want to send, whatever you want to do. And after that, you turn off the phone. And as long as the phone is disconnected from the internet and is turned off, it's pretty much secure because no hacker, no one can have access to it. So this is pretty much how you can turn an old mobile phone into a hardware security wallet slash cold storage wallet. Nothing fancy, but it's pretty convenient. You give a second life to your old mobile phone. Make sure that you reset the phone, you clean everything from the phone, you don't have any old apps installed. Make sure that you have a password, you install a secure wallet. Do the backup of the wallet, please, just in case you lose the phone or the phone dies because it's an old phone. As long as you have the backup of the phone, you are good. You can always backup it to another wallet, and you are good to go. In fact, you can also do pretty much the same that I told you with an old laptop. Actually, Vitalik Buterin, in one of his podcasts, he said that his, let's say, cold storage wallet is a laptop that he uses just for the purpose of having access to his crypto. I don't know what wallet does he use, but imagine you have like a Metamask wallet in your laptop, and you only turn on this laptop to have access to your wallet. Just the same way you are only going to turn on your old mobile phone to have access to the wallet, reducing the attack surface that a hacker could eventually have. All right, finally, I think most people that lose money to hackers in crypto, they lose money to phishing attacks. What is a phishing attack? Is usually the hacker will try to impersonate someone else or an institution. So the hacker will try to impersonate the customer support of the wallet, and they are going to send you an email saying, hey, you need to reset the wallet, and to reset the wallet you need to send the backup, you need to send us the backup of the wallet or the password of the wallet. And sometimes people fall into it. 99% of the hackers, when they steal money from people from their wallets, is because people give them permission to do it. So that's also a very important thing that I wanted to tell you. Don't click links that you don't trust. If you are interacting with a DeFi protocol or with an NFT minting page, something like that, always double check the link if you are on the right website and not a phishing website. If you receive an email from Trust Wallet, from Metamask Wallet, from supposedly from the customer support, or someone reaches out to you on a social media saying they are a customer support, they are not. I'm 1000% sure that they are not the customer support. And never send any crypto to anyone that promises you to send you back crypto, and don't send to basically crypto to anyone that that you don't know, that you don't trust. And if you do these things, there are many other security practices, but if you do these things, I think you are already like 99.99% covered, and you can sleep well at night. And it doesn't matter if you have $1,000 in crypto or 10,000 or 100,000. Okay, I hope this video helped you to save some money if you don't have money available to buy a hardware wallet, or if you don't have enough crypto that justify to buy a hardware wallet, right? If you have like $500 worth of crypto, why would you pay $100 for a hardware wallet, right? But if you have a spare mobile phone, yeah, you can just turn that phone into a hardware wallet and you are good to go, and you save money. Okay, so I hope this video helped you to save money and to keep your crypto secure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe because it will help with the YouTube algorithm or whatever. And as always, I will see you tomorrow or next time.